Ups and downs in life are very important to keep us going because a straight line, even in an ECG, means we are not alive. These are the words of Ratan Tata, who has become an idol for businessmen in India, who is standing always behind the government of India to help the people of India in every disaster and trouble. Today we will talk about Ratan Tata's life in detail. If till now you have not subscribed our channel, then click on the subscribe button given below so that our next video notification reaches you. So let's start. Ratan Tata was born on 28 December 1937 in Bombay, today's Mumbai. He belongs to a Parsi family. His father's name is Naval Tata and mother's name is Soni Tata. He did his early study from Cathedral and John Cannon School and Bishop Cotton School, Shimla. In 1948, when he was 10 years old, his father and mother apart and had divorced. Then his grandmother did take care of him. He went to America to do study in architect and admitted in Cornell University. He was a shy person and wanted to become something besides his surname. Until his education was not completed, he earned his own money by cleaning utensils and from some other small works. In 1959, he got a degree in Bachelor of Architect. In 1961, he started his career by joining a job of lowest rank in Tata Steel, a company of Tata Group. According to the rule of Tata Group, he worked until 1970 in different branches of Tata Group. In 1970, he was promoted to the management rank. In 1971, he got charge of a Tata Group company named Nalco, which was already running in loss. This company made radios and TVs. In next 3 years, the company progressed very well and its shares reached 20% from 2%. But due to emergency and economical issues of our country, those days this company was closed. This was the first bigger failure in Ratan Tata's life. In 1975, he got a degree in management from Harvard University. In 1977, he had charge of another company of Tata Group named Express Mill. It was also running in loss and on verge of closure. Ratan Tata advised to management to invest 50 lakh in this company, but the management refused his advice and the company was closed. This is the second bigger failure in Ratan Tata's life. In 1981, he became chairman of Tata Group made by J.R.D. Tata. Tata already used to make passenger vehicle and some other vehicles, but on 30 December 1998, Tata Motors launched a car named Indica, which was fully made in India. It was dream project of Ratan Tata, but this car was flopped in 1 year. Tata Motors got a big loss. The partners and workers of the company told Ratan Tata to sell this company to the another company. As it was the loss due to Ratan Tata's own dream project, so he agreed and went to the office of Bill Ford, who is owner of Ford Group. Meeting was in progress and after 3 hours of meeting, Bill Ford said, with making fun of Ratan Tata, that if you don't know about cars, then why did you invest a big money in this project? I am doing a favor on you by buying your company. Ratan Tata felt insulted and left the meeting and returned to India with his partners. Then he was only focused on Tata Motors because he had to take revenge of insult with his success. After work hard and search of some time, he launched the second version of Indica, which was much liked by people. After 2 years of ups and downs, Tata Motors grown very well. And in 2008, Ford Group was in loss due to its Jaguar and Land Rover branch. Then Ratan Tata proposed Bill Ford to buy his Land Rover and Jaguar branch. Bill Ford agreed and said that you are doing a favor on me by buying my company. After this, Land Rover and Jaguar grew very well. Ratan Tata also bought a company from Canada named as Tetley. Tetley makes tea bags. After this company became the biggest company. After knowing the power of internet, Ratan Tata had invested in some online business company also like Snapdeal, Paytm, Cardekho.com, Xiaomi, Kazunga.com, Zivame, Lenskart, Ola Cab, Urban Ladder, Bluestone and many more. Today, more than 100 companies of Tata Group are operated in more than 100 countries all over the world, in which there are 7 lakhs workers are working. Some other facts of his life we will discuss in next video. He is a man with golden heart. And if you like our video, then please subscribe. It will give us motivation to keep it up forward. Thank you.